Whitewater kayaking. Rushing rivers, high speeds, waves and rocks hidden just beneath the surface. Sounds dangerous? Is it really? Today we'll find out. My name is Agnes Ryłowicz and I'm a paragliding instructor. Welcome to the world of extreme sports. I'll show you how to live on the edge and introduce you to people who push their limits every single day. Ready for an adrenaline rush? Let's dive in. Hi Krzysiek. Hi. Today we're here in Szczawnica to talk about whitewater kayaking. It's a family tradition for us. My dad kayaked and so did my cousin. As a kid growing up by the Dunajec River, there really was no other option. I had to take up kayaking. Slalom kayaking is unique because we don't paddle along stretches of river like in recreational kayaking, where you cover specific distances along the Dunajec River. Over there you can see the slalom gates, and each of these gates has to be passed through. The course is about 300 meters long, with 18 to 24 gates. Of these, 6 to 8 are red gates. That means they have to be passed by going upstream. There are specific eddies designed to slow the water. Look here, you can see the current flows on both sides. But over there the water is still. That's where you need to turn for the red gates. Green gates are tackled with the current, flowing downstream. Eddies act like brakes, created naturally by rocks or artificially by buoys in man-made courses. Without them, the water would constantly flow downstream. In slalom kayaking, the red gates, called upstream gates, require these brakes so we can turn and navigate them. In professional slalom kayaking, you have to analyse everything. For example, if you have 2 red gates ahead, you need to figure out the best way to navigate between them. It's not just a straight path from point A to point B. Sometimes you need to paddle upstream first, then let the current carry you down. It's faster. The key isn't the distance, but the speed you move with. If you capsize, there are two ways to respond. One is exiting the kayak. Lean forward, grab the release handle, pull it forward, up and toward yourself. All right, got it. Try it out. Pull up, forward, up and toward you.
Like a blood of motion, flash of light, racing through time, breaking through the night. Full speed, unstoppable force, heading straight for a collision course. Faster, faster, faster and faster and faster. Faster, faster, faster and faster and faster.
Now flip, cover yourself with the kayak. All right, here we go. Tip over slowly. Yes. Now slowly stand up. That's exactly how you do it on the water. All right. If I'm not around or you run out of air, unclip yourself and get out. Remember, safety first. Save yourself. I'm about to try whitewater kayaking, an extreme sport for the very first time. Beginners capsize often in this sport. When they do, they end up upside down. The kayaker wears a helmet, but in shallow water like this, they often hit their head on rocks. At the same time, they have to fight to flip back over. Honestly, I am a little scared. I've never been in a kayak before. In fact, I've only ever paddled down one river in my life. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit nervous. But hey, I'm ready to jump into the water. My arms are going to be so strong after this. Lower the bow, lower the bow. Down, that's it, keep it down. What does down mean? Turn your kayak sideways. I've got to keep paddling continuously. Were those gaps rocks? Rocks, yes. Keep the bow pointing downstream. All right. Stay calm, no stress. What's great is that there are aggressive sections, but also calm ones. You can focus on paddling without worrying about flipping over. Relax your mind and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Oh no, I'm spinning. Get back, there are rocks ahead. And waves. And so many rocks. The rocks are huge. And I've spun round again. Don't spin around. I don't want to spin around. I just want to keep paddling. Wow, so relaxing and peaceful. Yeah, totally. What's amazing about this is how it combines physical exercise with an adrenaline rush.
I dużo takiej motywującej adrenaliny.
But it also brings a sense of calm. Exactly. We're making the most of everything the Dunajec River has to offer. Here, you get both stunning views and a few thrilling, more intense moments. For beginners, this is really important. It helps them get comfortable with the water. When you're out here paddling, what do you enjoy the most? Well, we don't often paddle in natural settings anymore. Most courses these days are man-made. But when we're on the water, we just enjoy the way it flows. How it behaves. When there are big waves, it's a chance to have some fun. Just like here, when you hit bigger waves, your emotions spike. It's the same for us. The bigger the waves and the more challenging the course, the more fun it gets. Wait, hold on. Okay. We need to check something. Oh no, I'm going under. Never approach a boat head on. If it flips you and pulls you under, I just want to feel like I'm in control. You're doing great so far. Good. Always keep the bow pointing down. Push harder, harder. Paddle backward with your left. Left paddle back. Good, that's it. Great, super. Now keep heading downstream. Just keep going down. Don't panic. Paddle harder on the right side. On the right! What will save me now is speed. What's happening here? A solo run. I'm paddling through the gates on my own. No! It's flipping over. Jesus! I pulled off a classic Agnes move, spinning on the biggest wave. And I nailed it! You need strong hips for this. Head for the steps, towards the steps. Push hard, keep going up. All right. I made it. The key is not to slow down. Krzysiek is waiting for me up ahead. He's there to support me if I need it. But for now, I'm on my own. Keep the bow down, keep the bow down. It's a shame you can't see this. Or maybe you can. Look at how wild this part of the Dunajec is. All I need to do is keep paddling fast. That took so long. Was I quick? Super quick. Oh, wow, the water's so refreshing. What fun! Wow! Wow! Oh my God, this is incredible. So enjoyable. Seriously, you did great. I'm seriously impressed. And you didn't panic at all. What just happened was absolutely incredible. They explained what to do if I flipped over, how to handle it safely. If you flip, you hug the kayak, stretch your arms out, and wait for help to arrive. Then you sense the moment, push yourself up and get back on track. And I actually did it. It was so exhilarating. I haven't done anything like this in ages. Not crazy, but so enjoyable. I was terrified at first, but in the end it gave me so much energy. It was like an energy boost. Something I hadn't felt in ages. Amazing, so enjoyable, absolutely incredible. Krzysiek is still going. I competed at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics. First, I had to secure an Olympic qualification for Poland, which meant finishing in the top 20 worldwide. Then there's a playoff, where each continent gets one spot. We didn't qualify in the first round, so I had to secure that single European spot. And I did it. I imagine kayaking is physically demanding and an emotional outlet for you. When you take a long break from training, do you feel like something's missing from your life? Absolutely. During the part of the year when there's a break from training, I suddenly have too much free time. When I'm in a routine, waking up, having breakfast, warming up, doing my first session, eating lunch and heading to my second session, it fills my entire day. Everything is planned, hour by hour.
Wszystko zaplanowane.
Without that structure, I feel empty, like I don't know what to do with all the extra time.
Czasem zrobić.
For me, kayaking is life. It's just part of my daily existence. I wake up, get in the kayak, and plan everything else around my training.
Po to, żeby właśnie iść na trening, żeby wszystko sobie ładnie to zgrać.
Kayaking is my life.
Równa się życie w takim razie.
Today, I learned the meaning of fear is all in your head. I was most afraid of flipping over in the kayak, but that's what gave me the biggest energy boost. I want more.